The blinking white light on your HP docking station G4 is an important diagnostic indicator that tells you something needs attention. This blinking light typically indicates one of four main problems: power delivery issues, connection problems between your laptop and dock, driver conflicts, or firmware incompatibility. This issue has become increasingly common in 2024 and 2025, especially with Windows 11 updates and newer HP laptop models. The first troubleshooting step is power cycling your docking station. Start by disconnecting all devices from the dock. Next, unplug the power adapter for 30 seconds, then reconnect the power and test the connection. Ensure you're using the original HP power adapter that matches your dock's specifications. The HP docking station G4 typically requires between 90 and 120 watts of power. Inspect your USB-C cable and ports for any damage or debris. Look closely at the connector pins and clean the ports if necessary. Finally, follow the proper connection sequence. Connect the power adapter to the dock first, wait for a solid white light, and then connect your laptop via USB-C. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced fixes focus on three key areas: drivers, BIOS settings, and firmware updates. Let's start with driver updates. First, update your HP dock drivers using HP Support Assistant. This tool automatically detects and installs the latest drivers for your docking station. Next, update USB-C and Thunderbolt drivers through Windows Device Manager. Navigate to Universal Serial Bus Controllers and update each driver. BIOS configuration is crucial for proper docking station functionality. Access your BIOS settings during startup and make these important changes. Enable USB-C and Thunderbolt support in your BIOS settings. Also, disable USB-C BIOS charging if this option is present, as it can interfere with docking station power delivery. Power management settings in Windows can interfere with docking station operation. These settings need to be adjusted for optimal performance. In Windows Power Options, disable USB Selective Suspend. This prevents Windows from turning off USB ports to save power, which can disrupt docking station connectivity. Finally, firmware updates ensure your docking station has the latest compatibility improvements and bug fixes. Use the HP Dock Firmware Updater utility to update your docking station's firmware. Ensure your laptop battery is above 50% before starting the update process. These advanced fixes address the most common software and firmware-related causes of the blinking white light issue. Most problems are resolved through proper driver updates and configuration changes.